Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your account on the Badoo dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating application on your device, and if you haven't already logged into your account, you will be taken into the login page from which you can use your credentials to log into your account. Now, once you have logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through various different profiles and swipe left or right based on whether you like them or not. Now, from this page, if you wish to delete your account permanently, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, from your profile icon, tap on the gear icon at the top right and then tap on account. Now, from your account page, you will see the delete account button at the bottom section. Tap on this, and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Now, if you use any of the other options, your account will not be deleted. If you use the first option, your account will simply be hidden, and whenever you log back in, it will once again become active. So if you want to permanently delete your account, then choose the last option and then tap on the continue button. You will once again be asked whether you are sure that you want to continue, and you might need to enter your password or provide the verification code from your inbox in order to proceed with deleting your account. Once you provide your verification, your account will be deleted on Badoo. And there you have it. That is how you can permanently delete your account on the Badoo dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.